Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below, and a new look inside and out with the new space white color, which is sort of a mix between white and gray, sort of off-white. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously. It can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and you have two fold-out cup holders in the middle with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking in the front, you have your power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, and you do also have a remote start in this truck, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, fuel economy, comm screen, and then you can also go into your maintenance information and everything. But moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, your hazards, traction control shut off, and then moving down from your screen you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 selector with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for, let's see here, we have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and on the other end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, and above that a button to open the glove or the compartment above your glove box. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C with a shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else you feel like putting there. And then finally moving on to your center console area, actually first your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and then onto your center console, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.